Welcome, curious minds, to the deep dive. For years, enterprise leaders like you have grappled with unlocking true end to end business process automation. Often hitting a wall with siloed systems and AI capabilities that felt more like assistance than, well, autonomous action. Today, we're plunging into a truly seismic event that offers a potent answer to that very challenge. Capgemini's colossal $3.3 billion acquisition of WNS. Our mission in this deep dive is to unpack why this isn't just another corporate maneuver or, a big number on a balance sheet. It's a pivotal move, one that redefines the landscape of agentic AI and intelligent operations. And that's where AI doesn't just assist, but actively orchestrates and optimizes entire business processes end to end. We're here to cut through the complexity, deliver the core insights that matter to you as you navigate enterprise AI automation. Let's unpack this. Okay, so the headline news, the one that's still reverberating across the industry. Capgemini, a global titan in consulting and tech services, has acquired WNS Holdings Ltd. for a staggering $3.3 billion. This deal, finalized just recently, July 7, 2025, it's more than just a merger. It's a direct reflection of the rapidly accelerating demand for AI-driven solutions to fundamentally reshape business operations. We're not talking incremental gains here. This is about a complete re-architecture of how work gets done.
Yeah, absolutely. And if we look at the financial architecture of this deal, it really underscores the conviction behind Capgemini's strategy. They've agreed to acquire WNS for $3.3 billion in cash. And that's excluding WNS's net financial debt. That translates to $76.50 per WNS share.
Wow.
And to put that into perspective, that's a significant 17% premium over the last closing share price on July 3rd. It's a 27% premium over the 30-day average, and an even more striking 28% premium over the 90-day average.
That's quite a markup.
It is. And it's more than just a premium, right? This valuation signals Capgemini's recognition that WNS brings something special. Proprietary capabilities, maybe unique industry-specific data assets, or highly refined operational blueprints, things that are incredibly difficult and time-consuming to build from scratch.
So it's not just buying market share. Exactly. It's less about that and more about securing a proven, scalable engine for this next generation of intelligent operations. And the expectation. The deal should be accretive to Capgemini's normalized earnings per share, the EPS, by 4% in 2026. That's before synergies, then escalating to a robust 7% in 2027 after those synergies are fully realized.
Okay.
When you factor in the projected combined digital business process services, or BPS, revenues hitting $1.9 billion in 2024, well, you truly start to grasp the scale of this integrated powerhouse.
Right.
Those financial figures, they definitely paint a clear picture of Capgemini's conviction, serious conviction. But how does this translate into their larger strategic vision? Because Ayman Azat, the CEO of Capgemini, he articulated it pretty clearly. He said this acquisition will equip Capgemini with the scale and vertical sector expertise to capture that rapidly emerging strategic opportunity created by the paradigm shift, from traditional BPS to agentic AI-powered intelligent operations. And here's where it gets really interesting for us, I think, as decision makers in enterprise AI. It points to a fundamental industry reorientation. It's about being ready for a future where AI isn't just assisting. It's truly operating autonomously within your business.
Exactly. So who exactly is WNS Holdings Ltd.? What makes them such a critical piece of this puzzle for Capgemini?
Well, WNS, they were founded back in 1996, listed on the NYSE. They're a global leader in business process management, or BPM. They serve over 600 clients across an incredibly diverse range of industries. You've got travel, insurance, banking, manufacturing, retail, shipping, healthcare, utilities. The list goes on.
Quite a spread. Huge. Their operational footprint is vast, too. Over 60,000 employees spread across 66 delivery centers in 13 countries.
66 centers. Wow.
Yeah, and WNS's core strength. It lies in its ability to combine deep industry knowledge with cutting-edge tech, analytics, and process expertise, delivering what they've perfected as digitally led transformational solutions. Their key services span everything from highly specialized industry-specific offerings to comprehensive customer experience services, finance and accounting, HR, procurement, and robust research and analytics.
So what's their secret sauce then? What allowed WNS to command such a premium?
Good question. It's not just their proprietary tech, though that's part of it. It's their deep specialization and, importantly, their proven track record. They're masters at streamlining complex, industry-specific operations and doing it with a digitally native approach. That's gold.
Okay, so WNS brings that deep, proven operational expertise across all these different industries. But how does Capgemini's existing forward-looking AI vision really supercharge that? What capabilities are they already bringing to the table that make this merger so potent?
Because Capgemini isn't just bringing capital, right? They've established themselves as a pioneer in AI innovation. They have a strong focus on generative AI, sure, but also agentic AI and intelligent process automation, all supported by their own Resonance AI framework. And this isn't just a strategic hunch they're playing. The market data backs this up. An impressive 82% of organizations are already planning to integrate AI agents within the next 1-3 years.
82%.
Yeah, that's a staggering rate of adoption. It clearly signals a shift towards autonomous operations.
Now, what's truly fascinating here and really critical to Capgemini's big bet is the emphasis on agentic AI. While generative AI has grabbed all the headlines for its creative power, generating text, images, code, that sort of thing, agentic AI is its action-oriented cousin.
Action-oriented, okay.
We're talking about autonomous AI systems. They're designed not just to process information, but to perceive their environment, reason through problems, plan complex tasks, and then execute them, all to achieve specific business goals. This distinction, moving from just content generation to independent, purposeful action, that's the game changer for enterprise automation.
Right, makes sense.
Think about its powerful applications across sectors. In customer service, it's not just basic FAQs anymore. Agentic AI can now autonomously resolve complex multi-step issues. It accesses and synthesizes data from different systems, identifies root causes, prescribes solutions, things that would take a human agent way longer to figure out. In supply chain management, it can optimize inventories, predict demand with incredible precision, preemptively adjust orders. In healthcare, we're seeing it act as a virtual caregivers or assisting in complex patient interactions like managing scheduling and post-care follow-ups. And in finance, it's automating incredibly complex financial processes, advanced risk management, regulatory compliance checks, all with minimal human oversight. This is really about AI taking on entire end-to-end workflows.
Okay, so what does this all mean for businesses like yours, especially those, grappling with scaling enterprise automation? This acquisition isn't just about putting two companies together. It's about creating a powerful synergy, one that's designed to transform operations. Capgemini's clear aim is to forge a new leader in what they call intelligent operations, and they plan to do that by combining WNS's profound business process management expertise with their own cutting-edge AI and automation tech.
Exactly.
This unified capability means they can deliver agentic AI-powered solutions that truly transform end-to-end business processes, which, as you said, will be particularly impactful in industries with those complex data-heavy workflows. Finance, insurance, healthcare, logistics. Imagine the efficiency gains and the strategic agility this could unlock.
Oh, the direct, tangible benefits for clients are significant and immediate. Enterprises will gain access to a far more comprehensive suite of services that seamlessly integrate BPM, AI, and automation. This combination will empower them not just to automate complex processes, but to significantly improve their decision-making capabilities and markedly enhance customer experiences.
Can you give some more concrete examples? Bring it to life a bit.
Sure. So in finance, think about agentic AI streamlining incredibly complex risk management processes, identifying anomalies, making recommendations at speeds no human team could possibly match, basically preempting financial exposures before they happen.
Right.
Or in the healthcare sector, it can optimize patient interactions, right from scheduling and pre-visit info all the way to post-care follow-ups. And it can do this while maintaining a high degree of personalization and, crucially, compliance.
But it almost sounds too good to be true, These efficiency gains. Are there any, common misconceptions or hurdles organizations need to watch out for when they try to implement agentic AI on this scale? That's a fair question. The initial challenge often lies in integration. Integrating these intelligent agents with legacy systems and ensuring data quality across all these different disparate sources. That's key. Success really hinges on having a clear roadmap and, frankly, a willingness to truly rethink existing processes. You can't just automate broken ones and expect magic.
That's a really crucial point about integration and rethinking processes. But the bottom line impact from a client's perspective is still compelling. It's not just about abstract efficiency gains. The research backs this up. It shows a measurable 6.7% improvement in customer engagement where AI is deployed effectively.
6.7%.
Yeah. This is about delivering measurable, transformative business outcomes that directly affect your customers and, ultimately, your profitability. For enterprise AI decision makers, that's the real metric, right? Absolutely.
Yeah.
And we connect this to the bigger picture, the Capgemini WNS acquisition. It signals a broader, accelerating trend across the entire IT services and BPO sectors. Companies are increasingly leveraging AI as a critical differentiator. They recognize it's no longer an optional add-on. It's a fundamental necessity for competitive advantage. This deal immediately positions Capgemini as a major, really formidable player in the intelligent operations market.
Yeah.
This isn't a small ripple, it's more like a wave that others will have to respond to.
That's a powerful point about shifting the competitive landscape. When a player of Capgemini's size makes a move this bold, it inevitably creates ripples. Big ones. You can be sure that competitors think Accenture, Infosys, TCS, they'll undoubtedly feel increased pressure to accelerate their own AI strategies, just to maintain relevance and pace.
They have to.
This isn't just raising the competitive bar, it's likely to prompt other firms to intensify their investments in AI capabilities, or maybe pursue similar mergers and acquisitions themselves. This isn't just about playing catch-up anymore, it's about reevaluating core strategies.
Right.
Think back to the early days of cloud adoption, remember? Those who hesitated, they paid a heavy price in agility and market share later on. Now the imperative is around integrated AI and automation. We might see a flurry of smaller strategic acquisitions by other players, maybe targeting niche AI capabilities or specialized BPO firms that have already integrated advanced analytics, rather than just these broad-stroke mergers. It's definitely a race to the top of the AI Transformation Summit.
And that's precisely why this pivotal deal is poised to spark further M&A activity across the industry. No doubt about it. Companies are going to rush to acquire essential AI and BPM capabilities to avoid being left behind. It's an arms race, in a way. The escalating demand for sophisticated agentic AI platforms in critical sectors like finance, insurance, healthcare, logistics, it just underscores the profound strategic importance of this acquisition. It positions Capgemini to capture a significant share of this rapidly emerging market. And we're already seeing innovative solutions emerge that support this whole ecosystem. Things like platforms that deliver private no-code AI agents. They're designed to seamlessly integrate with existing systems. They simplify automation, ensure data privacy, and accelerate digital transformation without needing armies of coders.
Yeah, that no-code aspect is huge for accessibility. Indeed, we're seeing the emergence of powerful new tools for enterprises looking to truly leverage agentic AI. It's not just hype anymore. Things like private AI appliances, which allow secure on-site deployment of these intelligent agents. Keep data close.
Crucial for many sectors.
Or private AI infrastructure, providing a scalable foundation with complete data control, especially for sensitive operations. And for companies looking to build internal expertise, AI centers of excellence, maybe combined with agent-assisted training, are becoming vital.
Building that internal muscle.
Exactly. Then there are comprehensive agent service offerings that enable effortless, optimized AI directly for your enterprise needs. Tailored solutions. This Capgemini WNS acquisition, it's a huge validation of this entire burgeoning ecosystem that's dedicated to enterprise AI automation. So, to summarize our deep dive today, Capgemini's $3.3 billion acquisition of WNS, it marks a truly pivotal step in the evolution of AI-driven business services. A landmark, really. By combining WNS's established business process management expertise with its own advanced AI and automation capabilities, Capgemini isn't just participating in this shift. They're poised to lead the charge in agentic AI and intelligent operations. This deal establishes a new standard for the industry. It vividly demonstrates the transformative potential of AI in enterprise operations. And again, this isn't just about efficiency. It's about fundamentally rewriting the playbook for how work gets done across industries.
And this raises an important question for you, the listener. Whether you're an enterprise CIO, a digital transformation consultant, or an investor tracking these market trends, this strategic move, it signals not merely a new era of technological advancement, but a new frontier of opportunity in the entire AI automation landscape. The critical challenge for organizations now is no longer if they should embrace agentic AI, that ship has sailed. It's how quickly and effectively they can integrate this autonomous power into their core operations to stay competitive, to stay relevant. The time for deliberation. It's over. The time for strategic action has definitely arrived.
So as you consider the future of your own organization, how will you strategically leverage the autonomous power of agentic AI, not just to keep pace, but to truly leap ahead in this rapidly evolving landscape? What specific, complex processes within your own domain could you envision being fully automated by these intelligent agents in the next, say, 1 to 3 years? Think about it. The future of intelligent enterprise operations is here,